Hi friends, let me show you this new automatic pet feeder that I received for viewing purposes. You can use it for cats or small dogs. It will allow you to program a time for feeding your pets. This is great if they stay alone in home for a long time and if you want to really have your pets eating what they have to when they have to, okay? You get all the instructions how to program it, how to connect it, and you can even use it with a cord or with batteries to use it in a cordless way, okay? It comes really nicely packed. Okay. You get all the accessories that you need. It will hold up to 3.5 liters of product of food. Okay. You even get a feeding plate here. Okay. It has a safety lock, so it won't, if it's tipped down or turned down, the food won't fall down. And you get the electric cable with the electric port. Okay, it is a regular USB-A. Okay. So we are going to connect it and try it. Now we are going to use it. Okay. First, you want to get out everything you get here. Okay. We are going to follow the instructions, the manual. So first, we are going to put the food, dry food, of course. Okay. Then we are going to close it. This is a desiccant element, so the food stays dry. Okay. Then we're going to put the plate inside this plastic accessory so it fits perfectly and it doesn't, your pet doesn't take it away, so he won't get any food or the food will be in the floor. Okay. Then we are going to install the safety lock. So you put these velcros. Okay. Once you have it like that, you can get just the Velcro strip, open it, put some more food, and then lock it again. Okay. Well. Then we want to use it. You can use it with batteries or connect it directly to the outlet. I'm going to use it with the outlet connection. Okay. Okay. Now we are ready to use it. Okay. You have a full explanation of all the time settings, how to do a manual feeding, how to set the meals, times of day, and everything to program it really easy. Okay. Then you know that you can wash these parts, and these parts are non-washable. Okay. These ones can be washed with water. These ones should be cleaned with a dry cloth. Okay. So let's assume we want to do a manual feeding. Okay. You just press the plus button, 2 seconds. And there it is. It's one portion, okay? You can see the size of it, the amount of food that you get. So you can think about how much meal, how much food your pet needs. And that way you can program how many portions when in the day you want your pet to get. Okay? This way, you can know how many portions at what time of day to feed your pet, okay? So I think this is a great option. If you travel, if you go, you can have your pet eating the right amount of food whenever he wants it. This way you can have your pet having the right amount of food whenever he needs it, okay? So great option for pets that stay alone for all day or for a few days, okay? Thank you, perfect.